Yo, what's up, everybody? We're here with Brzezicki Brother Performance at my buddy's Hurtin' Feelings garage, doing some work, detailing, and we're about to put an exhaust on a buddy's '03 Cobra. Let me show you what we got going on. This is my buddy Mark Kelly's '03 Cobra. Got some mods, Kenny Bell. Bigger intercooler. Makes about 570 horsepower to the rear wheels. Got the interior right here. Always love the '03 Cobra interior. And we got the 18-inch saline reps on it. So it has Ford Racing exhaust. I guess it comes factory. And we are about to put on the Borla stingers. And you even get a hat with it. That's pretty sweet. I thought it was pretty sweet. So let me give you a little quick startup. Well, that was a little startup, and this is a before video. We'll have the after video with the stingers, and it already has Borla X pipe. So we're gonna make the Borla exhaust up to the Borla X pipe, and we will go from there. But this Cobra's looking pretty sexy. Got the Fox. So there you have it. We're about to do the Borla exhaust on '03 Cobra and do the after video. So stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Want to find out what it sounds like? You gotta hit that button. Alright, everybody. Peace.